That seems kind of, I don't know, contradictory. That's why I took it off. Alright, oh hang on, let me I'm gonna sneeze. And I hate sneezing. Why is it allergies? Am I catching another cold? I don't know, but I hate it. Fully grown adult man, by the way, guys. Let me, yeah. Go back to my reg with the leaning. And hang on a sec. Yeah, let me do that thing again. The pancake. And we'll get the pancake up if you like it so much. We can do that. I'm Fua Fua Hoka Hoka SonnyBrisko. Want some pancake? I made it myself. Yeah, it's good. I can do this. I can lean forwards with this face. It's probably the scariest thing about it. I keep laughing